Hi everyone, I will be talking about how deforestation affects climate change. What is deforestation? Deforestation is when humans remove or clear large areas of forest lands and related ecosystems for non-forest use. These include clearing for farming purposes, ranching, and urban use. In these cases, trees are never replanted. Deforestation is the permanent destruction of forests to make the land available for other uses. An estimated 18 million acres of forest, which is roughly the size of the country of Panama, are lost each year according to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. Since the industrial age, about half of the world's original forests have been destroyed, and millions of animals are endangered. Despite the improvements in education, information, and general awareness of the importance of forests, deforestation has not reduced much, and there are still many more communities and individuals who still destroy forest lands for personal gains. Why does it occur? There are many reasons why deforestation occurs, but I only have 5 minutes, so here are some of them. It occurs because the rise in population. Forests are cleared to make way for human settlement. Destroying forests to make use of rich and natural resources is one of the main reasons why we see deforestation occurring all over the world today. Deforestation occurs around the world. Countries with significant deforestation include Brazil, Indonesia, Thailand, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and other parts of Africa and parts of Eastern Europe. According to the GRID Arendal, United Nations Environment Programme Collaborating Center, the country with the most deforestation is Indonesia. Deforestation is considered to be one of the contributing factors to global climate change. According to Michael Daly, Associate Professor of Environmental Science at LaSalle College in Newton, Massachusetts, the number one problem caused by deforestation is the impact on global carbon cycle. Gas molecules that absorb thermal infrared radiation are called greenhouse gases. If greenhouse gases are in large enough quantity, they can force climate change, according to Daly. While oxygen is the second most abundant gas in our atmosphere, it does not absorb thermal infrared radiation as greenhouse gases do. In 2012, carbon dioxide accounted for about 82% of all US greenhouse gases, according to the Environmental Protection Agency. Trees can help though. 300 billion tons of carbon, 40 times the annual greenhouse gas emissions from fossil fuels, is stored in trees, according to Greenpeace. The impact of it is 70% of the world's plants and animals live in forests and are losing their habitats to deforestation, according to the National Geographic. Loss of habitat can lead to species extinction. It also has a negative consequence for medicinal research and local populations who rely on the animals and plants in forests for hunting and medicine. Also, trees are important to the water cycle. They absorb rainfall and produce water vapor that is released into the atmosphere. Trees also lessen pollution in water, according to the North Carolina State University, by stopping polluted runoff. In the Amazon, more than half the water in the ecosystem is held within plants, according to the National Geographic Society. Tree roots anchor the soil. Without trees, the soil is free to wash or blow away, which can lead to vegetation growth problems. The WWF states that scientists estimate that a third of the world's arable land has been lost to deforestation since 1960. After clear cutting, cash crops like coffee, soy, and palm oil are planted. Planting these types of trees can cause further soil erosion because their roots cannot hold onto the soil. Both countries share the same island, but Haiti has much less forest cover than the Dominican Republic. As a result, Haiti has endured more extreme soil erosion, flooding, and landslide issues. Lastly, soil erosion can also lead to silt and...
Created using Powtoon.